Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, I am Najmina Khoirunnisa. You can call me Mina. I'm a student majoring in mathematics education at Untitled Jakarta. So, at this time, I want to discuss a life problem with you guys which is related to square. So, no need to linger. Let's move to the first problem. This is the first problem. There is a runner, his name is Jamal. He's about to compete in running match next month. His coach said, "Hey Jamal, your match will be held soon, so you have to practice running at least 5 kilometers every day." Jamal usually practice running in a square field whose side are 100 meters. Jamal told how many times he had to running around the field so that he could run at least 5 kilometers. Okay, to solve this problem, we just have to know the perimeter of field. Then, divide 5 kilometers, which is a running target, by the perimeter of field. Since the field is square, we can solve this just by looking for the formula of a square perimeter. Okay, this is the second problem. Mr. Maiden plans to set ceramic on the floor of one of the rooms in his house, which has 36 square meters area with ceramic whose size is 40 centimeters times 40 centimeters. Mr. Maiden told how many pieces of ceramic he needs, and if the price of one piece of ceramic is 10,000 rupiah, how much money he should spend. And to solve this problem, we just have to know the area of ceramic, then divide the area of the room by the area of ceramic. Since the ceramic and the room is square, we can solve this just by looking for the formula of a square area. Okay, so for Jamal's problem, we have to find the formula of square perimeter, and for Mr. Maiden's problem, we have to find the formula of square area. So, do you guys think we can help them to solve the problem? I'm sure we can. Okay, firstly, before we solve their problem, we have to know about the definition and the characteristic of square. So from there, we can find the area and the perimeter of square formula. Okay, this is the definition. A square is a kind of rectangle, but not all rectangle is a square. A square is an equilateral rectangle which has 4 equal right angles mutually perpendicular. The first characteristic of square is have 4 equal length sides. It means AB equals BC equals CD equals AD. Second, have 4 equal right angle. Right angle is an angle that is exactly equal to 90 degrees. We have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Third, have equal length diagonal. First diagonal is AC and the second diagonal is BD. Then AC equals BD. Fourth, AC is a perpendicular to BD. Perpendicular is the relationship between two lines which meet a right angle. So we have another 5 right angle by AC and BD relationship. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Perimeter of square formula. The perimeter of a square is equal to sum of all the sides. Equal side plus side plus side plus side equals AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. We have known about the first characteristic of square, that the length of all the 4 sides of a square are equal. So, AB equals BC equals CD equals AD. Let's take an example of a square having side S. So, AB equals BC equals CD equals AD equals S. From there, we can assume the perimeter of square formula equals S plus S plus S plus S equals 4 times S.
The area of square formula. The area of square is defined as the number of square units needed to fill a square. In other words, when we want to find the area of square, we consider the length of square side. Since all the sides of square are equal, the square of the area of a square equals the multiplication of the square to side, equals side times side, equals AB times BC. Okay, because we know the first character of square, so AB equals BC. Let's take an example of a square having side S. So AB equals BC equals S. Then we have the area of square formula equals S times S equals S square. We already know about the area in the perimeter square formula. Then let's go back to the problem. Okay, on Jamal's problem, we have known some information, that is, the running target is 5 kilometers and the wheel side is 100 meters. What is being asked is how many times Jamal had to running around the field so that he could run at least 5 kilometers. Okay, before solve this problem, we have to convert kilometers to meters. So look at this stair. When we step down the stair once, then we multiply by 10. If twice multiply by 10 times 10, etc. Because we want to convert kilometers to meters, we have to step down thrice or 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So 10 times 10 times 10 equals 1000. Okay, then multiply 5 times 1000 equals 5000. I'm sorry for my bad meters. I'm sorry, my handwriting looks so bad. And then we find the perimeter of square field equals 4 times side equals 4 times 100 equals 500 meters. 400 meters. Then divide 5 kilometers or 5000 meters, which is a running target, by the perimeter of field. Okay, 5000 meters over 400 meters equals 12.5 times, rounding 12.5 to 13. So Jamal have to running around the field at least 13 times. The second problem solution. On Mr. Madon's problem, we have known some information, that is, the area of room is 36 square meter and the ceramic wood size is 40 centimeters times 40 centimeters. What is being asked is how many pieces of ceramics Mr. Madon needs to set the ceramics on the floor of the room, and if the price of the one piece of ceramic is 10,000 rupiah, how much money Mr. Madon should spend? Okay, before solve this problem, we have to convert square meters to square centimeters. The side, okay, before we have to find the side of the room, we have to count square root of 36. Square root of 36 is equals 6. Now we find that the side is 6 centimeters. Then convert meters to centimeters, multiply by 100 because we step down twice or 2 times. 1, 2. So 6 centimeters equals 6 meters equals 600 centimeters. Okay, next we found the area of room equals S times S equals 600 times 600 equals 360,000 square centimeters. The area of ceramic equals S times S equals 40 times 40 equals 1600 square centimeters. Then divide the area of the room by the area of ceramic. 360,000 over 1600 equals 225. The money Mr. Medun should spend is 225 times 10,000 rupiah equals 2,250,000 rupiah. Okay guys, give applause to yourself! Thank you for your help to solve Jamal's and Mr. Medun problem. I hope this video can be useful for all of us. Stay healthy, stay safe, and be wealthy. Goodbye!